The big story at this hour, the Bharatiya Janata Party is possibly getting a new president in the month of February next year. Party sources say that the ongoing organizational election is on track to complete the polling process in more than half of the state units by mid-January, an exercise that will unveil the process of electing the new national president. A senior leader said the tenure of nearly 60% of the BJP state unit presidents is over and their replacements are likely to be in place by the middle of next month. The Bharatiya Janata Party is all set to get a new party head, essentially, new president. And the elections, the internal elections of the party on track is what we're hearing. The party chief is going to be, the new party chief rather is going to be announced. The name is going to be announced in the month of February next year. Sources within the party indicate that the ongoing organizational election is very much on track to complete the polling process in more than half of the state units by mid-January, an exercise that will unveil the process of electing its new national president. A senior leader said the tenure of nearly 60% of the BJP state unit president is over. Replacements are likely to be in place by the middle of next month. Piyush Mishra, tracking the BJP for us, getting in more details. Talk to us a little about the process. If any other names are doing the rounds, what more can you tell us, Piyush?
Well, Shreya, there are multiple rounds that are doing, there are multiple names that are doing rounds for the post of BJP's national president. Remember that the term of JP Nadda had come to an end in June itself, following which there were speculations that BJP could appoint a working president, but that did not happen. That also because of various state assembly elections which came in the midst, and now what we're hearing is that by the first week of February or by the last week of January, we can expect the new president of Bharatiya Janata Party. Names like Manu Lal Khattar, Dharmendra Pradhan, Bhupendra Yadav, Shivraj Singh Chauhan also, all these names were doing rounds. In fact, we also heard the name of K. Lakshman, who comes from Telangana, who is also OBC Morcha president of BJP. So there are various names who are doing rounds. As far as the election process is concerned, but we are told that by the end of December, the process of electing state presidents and district presidents will be completed, and then we can expect after the election of 50% of states, the election of president, full-term president of BJP to take place. So by the first week of February or by the end of January, we can expect the new president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
New president of BJP by February next year. Piyush, if you could also give us a sense of if there are many other names. If there are, in fact, yes, Piyush, in fact, apologize for that bit of a disturbance there in my earpiece. I just wanted to ask you, what are the names that are doing the rounds?
Well, there are names like Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Manu Lal Khattar, in fact, we have been told is a front runner, and there are the leaders like Dharmendra Pradhan, even his name was also doing round. Our top source in BJP told me that the new president will be below the age of 55 and will be from the southern India. So that is what the sources are telling us. But BJP is a party which is known for throwing surprises. So we can expect...
Piyush, in fact, we have some news just coming in. New president less than the age of 55 and from southern India. Be with us. More news breaking at this hour. Let's take a look.